Welcome, food lovers. Ever wished you could whip up a delicious, creamy pasta dish in your trusty Indian pressure cooker? Today, we're making that a reality, and it's going to be incredibly simple and satisfying. Forget complicated steps. We're talking about pure comfort food magic, made easy. Imagine this: tender pasta enveloped in a rich, cheesy sauce, infused with the warm, aromatic spices that make Indian cuisine so special. We're going to combine your pasta with milk, a generous helping of cheese for that irresistible creaminess, and just a touch of water to get everything cooking perfectly. For flavor, we're bringing in the vibrant notes of tomato, the subtle sweetness of onion, and a pinch of pea for an unexpected depth. Then come the spices: a whisper of turmeric for color and warmth, fragrant coriander, a hint of chili for a gentle kick, and the complex aroma of garam masala. Don't forget a touch of salt to bring all these wonderful tastes together. This isn't just about speed. It's about unlocking incredible flavor with minimal fuss. You'll be amazed at how the pressure cooker transforms these simple ingredients into a gourmet-style meal right in your own kitchen. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a hearty, flavorful pasta dish without spending hours over the stove. Get ready for a truly delightful culinary adventure that will leave you feeling nourished and incredibly pleased with your creation. Thank you for joining me on this flavorful journey. I hope you enjoy making and savoring this unique pressure cooker pasta. If you loved this recipe, consider following for more simple yet delicious cooking ideas.